Hello, Dr. Lenz here, and I'm going to point out why missing items of a works cited entry is very problematic. So, I'm taking a look at the Adam Holmes from Cinema Blend entry right here. Notice there is no article name, like all we have is an author and a website listed. No publication date, just a year. So, if done correctly, we should be able to highlight the works cited entry, run a Google search, and it should pop up immediately, like in the first result, if not the first, maybe the top 5. So I've run a Google search on this entry, and here's what we get. We get some links to where we might be able to find it, but this becomes problematic. Up immediately is his bio page from Cinema Blend. So we're at least pretty close, except one minor thing. We get a list of everything he's written for Cinema Blend. So the essay, he used something from Adam Holmes from this website, but we now have to guess which one of the hundreds, yes, hundreds of articles Adam Holmes has written. So here, this writer did not do the job correctly. We'll just keep going here just to further the point here. I stopped counting at 300. So which one is it? We might be able to decipher it from the context within the essay. Maybe, maybe not. So, cannot stress this enough. Works cited entries have a purpose. Author, article title, website, date of publication, when it was accessed. These are all important items, and when they are missing, this is what happens. Okay, so this needs to get fixed.